everyone, welcome to another edition of Gadget Bridge. I'm Rawat, and today we're going to talk about the upcoming phones in 2018.
Alright guys, before we go ahead, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so that you see our videos first.
Now, we have seen cell phones since its inception, ranging from Nokia 3210 to Sony Ericsson to the LG models to QWERTY keypad to the iPhone to Android smartphones, and well, the list goes on and on. And today we are really looking forward to some cool phones that are coming in 2018. Number 1, the Samsung Note 9. Well, ladies and gentlemen, Samsung has come up with another model, and this time it's bigger and better. This is dust and waterproof model which has a battery power up to 4000 mAh. It also has an expandable memory from 128 GB to 512 GB, wireless charging, and a theater-like audio experience. If you're looking to get some awesome gaming experience, well, this is the phone for you. Do not forget to play Fortnite. The phone will be releasing soon this month. Number 2, the new iPhone. Well, what is great about the new iPhone? But before that, let's know the name of a new iPhone. What can it be? Can it be the iPhone 9? Can it be the iPhone XX? Well, this, ladies and gentlemen, is really a $1 million question, because we are really looking forward to some good news that Tim Cook has in store for us. Sources say that the screen has a good groundbreaking display technology, but what will be the price of this phone in the market? Well, Tim Cook, sir, is there to lead you on that. Number 3, the Google Pixel 3. Well, Google is back yet again in the market, and this time with a great phone, and this is going to be the phone with a great screen display and an awesome screen resolution. The phone has a screen display of 5.4 inch, the resolution as much as 1080 into 2160 pixels. Android P will be the OS in this phone. The phone has a 12.2 MP rear camera and a 3000 mAh battery. This phone is the phone that will define the Android P. Number 4, Nokia Edge. How can Nokia be forgotten? I mean, this was the phone that came to us and said, "Hi, I'm a phone." And Indians started to use this like crazy. And now Nokia is trying to make a comeback with this Nokia Edge in the Indian market. So let's look forward to that. The phone features a 5.2 inch display with a full HD screen resolution. The rear camera is 23 megapixels. The phone has a 32 GB memory, which is expandable up to 128 GB. So guys, how about this one? Number 5, Xiaomi Redmi Note 6. Now this is a phone that promises to be affordable as well as efficient, because this has a 6-inch display screen and a 13 megapixel camera function. The battery has the power of 4100 mAh. The device is powered by the octa-core 2.2 GHz Cortex A53 processor paired with 3 GB of RAM. And yes, the phone does have a fingerprint sensor. Number 6, OnePlus 6T. For all those OnePlus fans out there, discard your previous phones, because this phone is really gonna be the phone of 2018. The phone has a 6.4 inch display powered by octa-core 2.8 GHz Cryo 385 processor paired with 6 GB of RAM. It also has a 16 MP camera sensor. Other sensors include light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass, and gyroscope. Well, that's all, ladies and gentlemen. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and do leave us a comment or two. We are there everywhere on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Also, do let us know how you find this Optimus Prime picture, and also suggest us some ways of how to make our office better. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. But before I move to saying bye-bye to you guys, do check out the reviews, I would say the unboxing of Wonderboom speakers, because these are some awesome speakers that you really need to check out. Anyway guys, nice to meet you. Bye-bye.